More than half of the toothbrushes tested had fecal deposits on them. Yeah, fecal, like poo deposits on them. Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Dentachinwag with Tamaka Igwatu. Today I'll be pointing out mistakes that you probably make while you brush your teeth. I know many of you have been brushing your teeth for many years and you might say, I don't think I make mistakes. Well, let's see what you think at the end of the video. The first mistake is using a toothbrush for too long. We are all very guilty of this mistake. The recommended lifespan of a toothbrush is 3 months. 3 months. The second mistake is not brushing for long enough. 2 minutes in toothbrushing world is like a lifetime. Brushing for 2 minutes is recommended. And using a timer or an electric toothbrush incorporated with a timer will go a long way to ensure you're brushing your teeth for long enough. We all have a routine which is quick and done. You'll be surprised at how long you actually brush your teeth when you time this routine. The third mistake is rinsing out your mouth with water after brushing your teeth. When you rinse out, you're rinsing out the fluoride that is meant to stay on your teeth to provide strength and protection. So the advice is to spit out any excess toothpaste. I know this can be difficult initially. Number 4 mistake is not flossing. This means not cleaning between your teeth with interdental cleaning aids. The hardest part is creating a flossing habit. You can start off by flossing 1 or 2 teeth. Flossing at least once daily, ideally at night time before brushing your teeth, is my recommendation. Mistake number 5, using a hard toothbrush. Brushing with a hard bristle toothbrush does not clean your teeth better. It can cause damage to your teeth, like toothbrush abrasion and your gums, gingival recession. You don't need a hard toothbrush because you're not trying to shine those teeth or make them disappear. The recommendation is to brush your teeth with soft to medium bristle toothbrush. Mistake number 6, not cleaning your tongue. I did cover this in my video talking about bad breath. Invest in a tongue cleaner. Alternatively, most manual or normal toothbrush has got a tongue cleaner on the opposite side. This is usually not as good as a tongue cleaner, but it will get the job done. Or using your toothbrush on your tongue is another way. It is important to clean your tongue every time you brush your teeth. This helps maintain fresh breath. You need to brush your tongue to keep your friends. Mistake number 7, brushing more than twice daily. You don't need to brush more than twice daily because excessive brushing can cause irreversible damage to your teeth and your gum. Mistake number 8, not waiting at least 30 minutes after meals before brushing your teeth. After meals, the mouth pH is acidic. Waiting at least 30 minutes after meals will allow saliva neutralize the acid and help remineralize your teeth. Mistake number 9, using the wrong brushing technique. Yes, there's actually a technique to brushing your teeth. So avoid brushing your teeth back and forth like you're scrubbing. Remember to point your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle towards the gum, pressing against the teeth and gum. How to brush like a pro will be discussed in another video. Mistake number 10, storing your toothbrush in the bathroom. This one, I think we all do it because it's convenient. In a toothbrush study, more than half of the toothbrushes tested had fecal deposits on them. Yeah, fecal, like poo deposits on them. Don't ask me how it got there. All I know is this is for real. The best place to store your toothbrush is out of the bathroom or store it away in an enclosed space. This may be a big habit to change for us, or it may be better to get a toothbrush with a cleaning system like this one. To recap the common mistakes that we make when we're taking care of our teeth: using your toothbrush for too long, not brushing for long enough, rinsing out with water after brushing your teeth, not flossing, using a hard toothbrush, not cleaning your tongue, brushing more than twice daily, not waiting at least 30 minutes after meals before brushing your teeth, using the wrong brushing technique, and storing your toothbrush in the bathroom. So what do you think? Were there any mistakes that you do regularly? Well, I've highlighted all the mistakes and I hope you'll be able to change the habits and try and do it better. If you've got anyone that will benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share with them. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because this will go a long way to helping my channel. Until my next upload, stay safe.